Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valor Mortis game crashes at startup, crashing to desktop, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem, or stuck on compiling shader problem, or if your PC is shutting down while compiling shaders. Then here follow the fixes very carefully. The first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, modify game launch options. You can try -dx11 or -dx12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis game, select properties. Now in the launch options, first type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from game installation folder. Try running the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first double click this Valor Mortis exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can also right click on it and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then open the Valor Mortis folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now run this Valor Mortis Win64 shipping exe file by double clicking it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark to run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck them and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4, update your graphic card driver. Now NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open the NVIDIA app. Go to drivers tab and here you will see the check for updates icon, click on it. And if there are any updates available, then download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have AMD graphic card driver, then open the AMD Adrenal software and look for your graphic card driver update. And if any update is available, then download and install them. And then again restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder. Open the Valor Mortis game folder. Select this Valor Mortis exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Open the Valor Mortis folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Valor Mortis Win64 shipping exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files x86 folder, Steam, Steam apps, common. Open the Valor Mortis game folder. Select this Valor Mortis exe file, click open, and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again, click on allow another app, browse, open the Valor Mortis folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Select Valor Mortis Win64 shipping exe file, click open, and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked, and then click on OK to save changes. Then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then launch the game and check. Later, you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6 to verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis game, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of demo files or game files. And after the verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows, search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Valor Mortis game folder, open Valor Mortis folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Valor Mortis Win64 cpk file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to set high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control and open the NVIDIA Control Panel app. Then click on Manage 3D Settings. Then click on Program Settings. Then click on Add. And then from the list, select Valor Mortis over here. And then click on Add Selected Programs. Now, if you don't see Valor Mortis game over here in the list, then you can also click on Browse. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Valor Mortis game folder, open the Valor Mortis folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Valor Mortis Win64 cpk file and then click on open. After adding it, click on this dropdown and select high performance and then click on apply settings. Don't forget to click on apply settings and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Expand advanced graphic settings and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Just turn it off if it is turned on, and after turning it off you will see you will need to restart your PC for this change to take effect. So just restart your PC and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is already turned off, then turn it on and then restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to rename or delete the Valor Mortis saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings, and you have to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open Users folder, open your username folder, open App Data folder. Now if you don't see App Data folder over here, then click on this view, show and check mark hidden items. Then open the App Data folder, then open local folder, and inside the local folder look for the Valor Mortis folder. Here it is. First right click on it and then copy it, then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. And after keeping the backup, you can right click on it and then you can select rename or delete. If you want to rename, then click on rename and then rename it to .old, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Valor Mortis game, select properties, and then here you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to set graphic settings to low, medium, if able to launch the game. So if you're able to launch the game and if you're able to get to the menu screen, then go to the settings and go to video tab and select the quality presets to medium or low, and then you can go ahead, play the game and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them and then just restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall Valor Mortis game and then reinstall it. So simply uninstall Valor Mortis game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Valor Mortis game, crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes at a startup, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, freezing problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.